Hi guys, this is a personal message from me at GCH Guitar Academy to every subscriber, and I'd like to thank you all very much. You know, it means a lot to me that you've subscribed, and it means a lot that I've reached the 100,000 mark. That was kind of a goal of mine, so I want to say thank you to you all. And to do this, what I've decided to do is I'm going to give away the ebooks for the whole of Unit 1. So that's 12 months of guitar lessons. No con, no tricks, no mailing lists sending you out emails every week. I'm just giving away those PDFs and also the backing tracks. And to be completely fair to the people who've bought the PDFs, I'm giving away all the backing tracks for Unit 1, 2 and the improvisation, and you can find that in the download area. So if you click the link at the bottom of here, people who don't have anything, you can just get your completely free download, and those who've already registered and bought something, you click the link at the bottom and that will take you to the download area. And if you look down at the bottom, you'll see there's now the backing tracks have been added. And if you're one of those people who doesn't like to put your email address in, don't worry, this is just so I can protect my copyright. If I just put it out there on an open link and everyone can download it, it's gone public domain and I lose rights over my own property basically. So by keeping the downloads in a secure area where you have to register in order to access that area, I'm protecting my copyrights. So whilst I'm giving this away to my subscribers for a very short period, it will go back to being paid content and it won't be up for free for very long. And if you haven't subscribed yet, it's not too late. Subscribe, hit the bell and follow the link. Oh, and I nearly forgot, if you're more advanced and you want to buy Unit 1, 2 and 3, you can buy those at the moment for £5 with the backing tracks. That's less than half price. And this isn't because I'm trying to make money, this is because I want to give you something, but obviously I can't give away the whole course. So if you want Unit 1, 2 and 3, you can have those for £5, or if you just want Unit 1, it's completely free. And again, I have to say, thank you very much for subscribing and watching my videos. It is really appreciated. At the end here, just so you know what to do, you click on the link, type in a name and an email address. The download area link will be emailed to you automatically, and then you click on that link and use the same email address and name, and that will allow you into the download area, and then you can just download what you want. The left and the right-handed versions will be there, so you can choose which one you want to download. Remember, this offer is only going to be up for a very short period of time, so if you miss it, that's it, you've missed it. Thanks for watching, and click away and get downloading.